Good morning, Cape Town. Good morning.
Because I'm a father that I'm in Cape Town today, and I'm advising you to follow me so that you can actually understand the reason why I'm in Cape Town today. Yeah, try to. Stay with me till the end of the video.
I will be taking my flight just now, so I just need to wait for some few minutes and then that's it. And then I'll be going, guys. So we will be leaving here at 10 minutes past 6. We got 2 hour and 15-minute flight from Johannesburg to Cape Town. So bear with us so that we can definitely fly together. So yeah.
The aircraft over the wings and 2 exits in the rear. Please take note of the emergency exit nearest to you, keeping in mind that 1 or more exits may be located behind you.
This was my arrival in Cape Town, the beautiful city of South Africa, the most expensive one, guys. Stay tuned till the end. I just arrived in Cape Town. So this is Cape Town.
Sharon, you take me somewhere here, ne?
Yeah, Cape is downtown.
Oh yeah, there's 2 stops. One behind this one.
This is Western and the City SCC. What is it?
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Cape Town. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Coffee there.
Good morning, Cape Town. Good morning, Cape Town. Guys, can you see how beautiful is Cape Town? Can you see how beautiful is Cape Town, guys? Look, I don't know. Look here, guys. What is this going in the water? What is this, guys? Oh, Cape Town is beautiful. Can you see this? Wow. Wow. Guys, Cape Town is nice, eh? Cape Town is so beautiful, eh? Look at this guy. We are just close to the sea, eh? The sea is the other side. As you can see, wow!
After 2 months, listening to an SPV, we started thinking.
Good morning, guys. I slept like a dead person. Yeah, we are in Cape Town. Like I said to you guys, Cape Town is so beautiful, but it's very expensive place to live in, eh? Very, very expensive place to live in. If you want to live in the town of Cape Town, I think you have to prepare yourself very well so that you can spend some bucks. I'm here only for 2 days and I'll be going back to Johannesburg. So after 2 days, guys, you'll see me in Joburg. I'll be back soon, guys. One of the best destinations you can have in South Africa is Cape Town. Yeah, you got a lot of seaport. You got a seaport. I'm actually relocated next to the seaport outside here. Be with me. I'll show you a little bit from my window the way the seaport close to my apartment look like. Just be with me. Like I said to you guys, it's very suitable to be here. It's actually the seaport here, as you can see. I'm on my window here. Seaport, you can see the seaport. See? From the window here. Yeah. So we're actually in the center of the Cape Town here. As you can see. You can see some container. There's a lot of container there, as you can see there. Wow. Wow. Cape Town is beautiful, eh? Just check this view, guys. Money is good, eh? Check this view. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful place. That is Cape Town, guys. Cape Town. See how it is. Let me tell you something, guys. It's good to have a child and to stand next to that child as a father. It's because I'm a father that I'm in Cape Town today. And I'm advising you to follow me so that you can actually understand the reason why I'm in Cape Town today. Yeah. Some people say that they don't want to have kids, but if God give you a child, stand as a present parent. Be a present parent to your child. Because you know, days like this, I will never forget it. Day like this, I will never forget it. The reason who's taking me to Cape Town is my child. And then I'm proud to be here. I'm proud to be the father I am today. Because certain thing I couldn't have in my life, my child is getting it. Certain thing I couldn't manage to get in my life, my child is bringing it home. I'm very grateful, guys. If you follow me to the Cape Town series, you will definitely understand why I'm saying so. You will definitely understand why I'm saying I'm grateful today. You will understand why I say my child is bringing home what me as a father I could not brought it home. As a father I could not brought what my child is bringing home today. So I advise you to stay tuned till the end so that you can see what I'm talking about. My name is Alphonse Fokou. I'm actually in the roof of one of the best 4-star hotel here in Cape Town. Just because I want to show you that I'm grateful to be a father. I want to show you that it's good to be a father. Today is one of my happiest days in the world. I'm happy to be a father. I'm happy to be who I am. I'm grateful for what God have made me to be and what God have given to me up till today. Yeah, we're in Cape Town and I'm close to the seaport. You can check yourself. Seaport, as you can see, close to the seaport here in Cape Town. Just look, guys, have a look. It's not beautiful? It's not beautiful, this? It's not beautiful? Guys,
Just press the ground floor,
going to the ground floor. See how this place is beautiful, guys. Waterfront water, guys. Over there, this is where my apartment is, and yeah, it's a beautiful place to be. Good morning, Cape Town. Good morning, Cape Town, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. That's beautiful. Beautiful.